Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve reorder list. In this problem, we are given a linked list and we have to reverse the order in so that the one points to the last pointer, then it points to the second pointer, then it points to the last second pointer, and so on. As you can hear, it is defined that first pointer, then last pointer, then second pointer, then last second pointer, then third pointer, then last third pointer, and so on. So let's move to the solution. To solve this, there will be 4 steps in this. So first will be find the middle using slow, fast. Second will be split the list after the middle. Third will be reverse the second half. And the fourth will be merge first half and second half using alternative elements. So first we will write the first step, that will be find the middle using slow and fast. In this we will move slow pointer 1 time and fast pointer 2 times so that the slow points to the middle of the linked list. So for that we take 2 variables, that is slow and fast. So list node slow points to the head and the list node also point to the head, that is fast. After that we will check if fast.next is not equal to null or and fast.next is not equal to null. We have to check this condition as the for the null check safety. Then we will move slow pointer 1 time, so that will be slow.next, and the fast pointer 2 times, that will be fast.next next. And by this we will got our middle element. So now we will take another variable, that will be second, in which we will store the our second split. Then we will do slow.next equal to null pointer. By this we will get 2 lists. Like if I take the example 1 2 3 4 5, then first will be 1 2 3 and second will be 4 5. The first is not assigned yet, so we will take another list node and we assign the first, so that will be first equal to head. After that we will got 2 lists as 1 2 3 and 4 5. Since we have to join first element with the last element and then second element with the second last element, so we reverse the second half. For that we have to write the reverse linked list function. I have already told in the previous video about the reverse linked list, so go check it out. Second will be reverse order list and we pass the second list node. This will be our reverse linked list program. I have simply copy pasted it so the video doesn't get big. After that, now comes the main part in which we have to reverse first half, merge first half and second half using alternative elements. Means we have to pick first element and then the last element. Similarly, second element, then the second last element. So step 1 will be loop start. We loop until the second list ends because second is always shorter or equal. For that we will write second is not equal to null pointer. After that, second step will be save next pointer. For that we have to take another list node, the temp1, in which we will save first.next and another pointer list node temp2, in which we will save second.next. Before changing anything, we store the next node. Why? Because we are about to break links. Example here is the temp1 will be 2 while the temp2 will be 5. Step 3, connect first to second. For that we will write first.next equal to second. Now we attach from second after first. 1, 6, 5, 4. Temporarily it looks like this, but don't worry, we will fix it. Step 4 will be connect second to the next of first. For that we will write second.next equal to temp1. Now we reconnect second back to first list. That will be 1, 6, 2, 3. Notice 6 is next is no longer 5, it is now 2. Move pointer forward, so that will be first equal to temp1 and second will be temp2. Now we shift both pointers forward. First will be 2 and second will be 5. So the key idea to this while loop condition is we have to save, then connect, then reconnect, then move forward and repeat until second list finishes. Let's run this code. There will be one more condition that we have to write for the edge case, that if there is only one node in the problem, so we will write if head.next is equal to the null pointer. Then we return. Let's submit this code. So the time complexity is big O of n. Since we are traversing the every node 3 times, one time to find the middle element, second time for reversing the list, and third time for changing the order of the items. And space complexity will be big O of 1. Since we are not using any extra space, these are the constant space of list node. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.